The license purchase process. In the following, we will describe the process of purchasing licenses and assigning them to users. First, find the learning material you want to buy on the website and add it to the shopping cart. Then look at the contents of the cart. On the page that appears, select the I buy licenses option. You can purchase multiple licenses for the same learning material, which can be set by using the plus or minus signs in the quantity field. The default start date for accessing the course content is the date of purchase, but this can be changed if necessary. When you're ready, go ahead and choose your payment method. Then enter your registration details and billing information and submit the order. After a successful purchase, you can view the licenses in the My menu. You can see the purchased course materials in the Education Materials tab. Click on it to see information about how many licenses have been purchased for this learning material and the start and end dates of access. You can also see that we have not yet allocated any of the licenses. In the Users tab, you will see the users you have invited and the licenses assigned to them. In the List of Licenses tab, you will see the licenses you have purchased. Each of them will have a key that the system will assign to that user. Here you can also see the training material itself and the duration of access. Go back to the Education Material tab and distribute the licenses to the users. To do this, type in the email addresses of the users in the lower field. After entering an email address, click on the Add Email button. When you are done, click on the Assignment button at the bottom. Among the users, there may be some who are already registered in the system. They will have immediate access to the learning material. If, on the other hand, we add users who are not yet registered, they will receive an email with access. They will be able to access the material once they have registered. You will receive information about this from the system once the assignment has been made. Accesses can be tracked also at a later stage. If the list shows an hourglass sign in front of the user, the registration has not yet been completed. If the hourglass disappears, the user already has access to the learning material. If you later want to revoke a license from a particular user, use the delete icon on the right. Active users will also be visible in the Users tab. We will also be able to keep track of allocations on the List of Licenses tab. Here you can also see which licenses are active and which are assigned to whom.